Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Klarus. Now this here is their E5 Plus. Now I've reviewed another model of theirs very similar to this. This is an upgraded model of theirs. It comes in this box. They wanted me to feature it here on my channel. So let's wait for it to open it up, see what's in it. Been doing a lot of Klarus lights for them and some work behind the scenes. Now we've got a USB Type-C charging cable and the user manual. Now I believe this is 650 lumens on the highest output, front and back, multi-language. Let's go ahead and fold this here where I can show you. Sorry, the specs are so small. As you can see there, I can keep it still there for you. Again, 650 lumens. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. Very thin. I call these little work lights because they are a must-have. Clip it on you as an angle light for that side one. You've got the other COB LED here, more like a flashlight, floodlight. This is magnetic, so you can hands-free it. Comes in very handy. Let's take a look here at the COB LED. It does have red in the center. There's the other COB LED there. It does have a clip on here. You can remove it if you don't want it. Style design on this is nice. You've got your buttons here on the side and a USB charging port here. And the machining and finish on this is nice. It does have kind of a flat black finish. Smooth, rounded edges on there. Alright, well normally I'd open it up and show you the inside, but this is a sealed unit. So now let's go ahead and go through the UI. Start off with the bottom button here of the two. Turn it on. Runs the floodlight there. Just click on the side switch. Man, that is more of a 5K. Wow, that's a lot of light. Pure flood. See my hand here before and after. Wow, that's it's amazing performance. And we're right back down. So we'll press down and hold My understanding here is that you can double click to get the red LED. Conserve your night vision. Want to read a map. And you have a beacon. And right back to the solid. Press down and hold. Now we're going to use the other button. This one here is more of a cool white. So you got two color temps. Two light levels here on the front. Yeah, you can see it's a lot less lumens on this one. Press down and hold. And that's all there is to this light. This COB LED is impressive. It's even better than the one I previously reviewed for them. And they've done a good job with it. Oh yeah. Super impressive. Love the Kelvin 5K on that. Looks good. I mean, you can use this anywhere throughout the house, on a camping trip, for emergencies. The USB rechargeable battery won't take too long. And this here on the lower light output, you should get some really good run times on this. Feels rugged. You'll forget it's on your hip, so good idea. So let's wait no further. Let's take it out here into my garage. Let's do a demonstration of it, see how it does. We are out here in the darkness of my garage, and we're here to do a demonstration of the Klarus E5 Plus. We're going to start off with the red. See, nice beam coverage. Conserve your night vision. And of course, click it one time, we'll go to a beacon. So now we're going to go ahead and get started with the regular light. Nice color temp on this one, on the side. Just a huge flood beam here, performance. And we're going to go ahead and go up. Still got a nice wide beam coverage on this thing. It's pretty amazing. There's another jump up. The camera does this thing no justice. No camera does. Man. There's the highest of the UI. Now I'll do a ceiling bounce here. And you can see there, it's an incredible amount of floodlight all coming from this little thing. Pretty incredible. And we're back down to the lowest. Now we're going to do the main pointing LED. COB that is. So that's going to provide probably the best run time using this LED. I think the battery, if I remember correctly, is 500 milliamp, which is quite a bit. And there's the highest of the two levels. Now this is cool white. We're going to do a ceiling bounce with this as well, so you can see there. Yeah. Impressive little light. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that little demonstration. This thing is amazing. I love this here. It looks a lot better. It's got a nice little bezel on there and really looks sharp. I'm not seeing any issues with this. The wedge flat designs are definitely in style, and this here really steals the show. This is nice if you're wanting for more of a cool white. I think this will be good. You have best of two worlds, so if you're not really into cool white, but if you want to use it as a flashlight, you can do so, or use it as an area light. Hands-free this on any metal surface. It's going to give you a lot of light in whatever area you need. Definitely as an improvement over the previous one. Alright, well, I want to thank Klarus for sending me this E5 Plus to review. Now, if this kit is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down below the video. I'm also working on a special discount code. Once I get that, this is already budget friendly. That'll be there as well. It'll help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Klarus to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.